So guys, today we're going to do a do-it-yourself project to upgrade my dash uh, of 93 convertible Aero. It's an anniversary edition, 2006. But my dash is a little bit tired and it's scratched out, and I bought this beautiful carbon fiber trim kit, and I'm gonna apply it now. And so before we start, I'm going to show you how the dash looks like now. It is old car, but I love this car and I want it to look like new. And let me show you how my dash looks like now. See the scratches, faded paint. It's tired here, it's scratched there, and all this. I already tried to do something here. I put a little film here temporarily. I'm going to take it off. Temporarily put this carbon fiber trim and a little bit there. But today we're going to have it all professionally done. So first off, we're going to use this sanitizing pads to wipe off everything we can to get all the kind of grease and dust off this dash first. This do-it-yourself kit also came with this 3M primer, and I don't know how it works. It's probably gonna do it like this, so we'll see. First we're gonna wipe this thing as much as we can, take off all the grease. And so I have it all here laid out. It's in many pieces. It's all gonna come here, and it's gonna look really nice. So remember guys, how it looks now and how it's gonna look later. It's really a beautiful piece. I love the way they did it. The quality is fantastic compared to what I did. Here it's just a film. This thing looks like a real carbon fiber. Wow. I'm really happy with this quality. So we'll see how it's gonna look. We're gonna unpeel this on the other side. We're gonna apply it. I decided I'm gonna apply it right on top of that carbon fiber piece. Why not? Okay, I just applied it here on the center console and one of the pieces on the main trim. So far I like it. Wow, this looks totally cool. I really like it. It looks much more better, much more newer, and more clean. It hides all the imperfections that was before, like it's here. And I like it. Let's keep going. It's coming along great. I really like the way it begins to look. Definitely more. Unfortunately, the project is coming to the end. I'm like a kid. I like to keep playing. This is so much fun, guys, to apply this thing. This part goes here. No, this goes like this. Like this. Yes, and I'm gonna unpeel it and I'm gonna put it in. Oh, I had so much fun doing this. I don't want this to end. So whatever is left here, I'm not sure what this is for. Where it can possibly go. Here? No. No. Where can it go? In the door? Over there? I'm not sure. I'll figure it out. So this one, it goes to over there, I think. So I'm left with this details here. I don't know what this is going. Not sure what. Oh, this one is going on the door. On the other hand, but this, I have no idea. Oh, maybe there. Yeah, but I already have it there. This little piece. Oh, I see. Maybe. No, I cannot figure out where this little thing is going. I thought it was supposed to go here, but no, it really doesn't fit there. What else can go? Yeah, this is not correct. Actually, this is for one disc player, and I have a CD changer. It was supposed to be all the way up to here. Maybe I can cut it and split it in two and do it like this. I'll try that. So what else? Where is this piece can go? Here? Oh yeah, it was supposed to be here. Yeah, this is definitely not for this car. He made a mistake. He was asking me so many times which model, CD changer, single, and I tell him all the details, and he's still sending the wrong one. But I still like it. I still like it. Yay, I figured out where this is going. It's going over here. Yay. Guys, I need your help. In the comment section below, please, if somebody knows, what do I do with these two? What do I do with these two pieces? Where do they go? Just check it out. I apply everywhere I could. The door there. Here's the dash. Everything is applied. Everything is taken. There's no room for anything. Even a little piece here. So where do I put these two pieces? Please comment in the comment section below. And if you enjoy this little video of my little do-it-yourself project, please subscribe. Hit that bell notification button if you don't want to miss further content. I'm going to be upgrading this car. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.